So guys, sitting here with Christiansen with Christiansen Law. Thanks for having me, Chris.
Yeah, thanks for being here.
So tell me, how long have you then been doing law in Flagstaff?
I've been here for about 4.5 years.
Awesome. And you, what type of law do you specialize in?
I do several areas. The primary focus of my practice is family law.
Okay.
But I also do estate planning. I do civil litigation. I do quadros, which nobody knows except other attorneys. So.
Gotcha. What is a quadro?
A quadro is a qualified domestic relations order. It's how courts and parties divide up retirement accounts in divorce.
Okay, gotcha. So one big question that I have, and maybe it's a good thing or a bad thing, I haven't been in the courts a lot, haven't had a lot of interaction with lawyers, but how does someone know if they need a lawyer?
Well, asking a lawyer if you need a lawyer is kind of like asking the dentist if you need to brush your teeth.
Gotcha.
The answer is pretty much yes.
Okay.
If you have a question, the answer is yes.
Gotcha. And so, as far as what kind of initials, especially in the family, let's talk about family law. What kind of initial questions are some of the questions or cases that we recommend with people coming to you before things get too crazy or out of hand or all of a sudden in court? What are some of those small questions that people could be asking themselves?
Small questions. What assets are there in the marriage? Do we own houses, multiple houses? How many cars do we have? How many bank accounts are there? How much is in the bank accounts? If there are kids involved, maybe start asking from the beginning, how do I want to divide up time between myself and my child's father or mother? Just so that, you go in prepared. You're not stepping back and, waiting until a judge is looking at you saying, what do you want? You can say, well, this is what I want.
Gotcha.
The legal system can be very complex and very difficult. And it's always better to ask someone who's been in the system several times, able to help people through it. It's just always better to come at least ask for help and see how much help you need. A lawyer's going to be able to look at you and tell you, you can probably handle this on your own, or they're going to look at you and say, you are in a lot of trouble, you need to hire someone right away. Gotcha.
I like that. So at least doing a check-in, doesn't hurt you much, and being able to really assess where you stand.
Yeah.
I love it. Chris, so if people have these questions, and like we said, getting on it early before things get too ugly or too far down the road, or now there are problems that you have to then take more time and money to fix. But how can people reach out to you? How can people contact you?
Yeah, sure. So I have a website on Google. It's christiansenlawaz.com. You can certainly go there. It'll give you all of my contact information. Phone number here, 928-237-4706. If you just want to call and set up a consult. Those are the best ways to get a hold of me. The phone number actually accepts text messages, so if you don't want to call because you don't want anyone to know what you're doing, you can certainly send it as a text message and we receive it here. So
very cool.
Or you can email me, Chris, at christiansenlawaz.com.
Perfect.
And we can get you set up.
Perfect. We'll put all that information in the links below, guys. Chris, once again, thanks for having me. And if you have just some questions, now you know where you can direct them to. Thanks for watching another episode of Flag Home Fridays. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, subscribe. And if you'd like to be featured on future episodes, contact me with the information below, and we'll see you next Friday.